Assalamu alaikum. My dear student of class 2, welcome to all of you in our online classroom arranged by Samsul Khan School and College English version. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Well, I'm your science teacher, Muhammad Imtiaz Ahmed, and today we're going to talk about the question answer of part 2. Well, in your textbook, if you open the index, you will see the chapter 4, chapter 5 and chapter 6. They all together makes the part 2. So we will discuss about the question answer from the part 2. So I hope you all are ready to watch how to learn all the question answer from this chapter. First of all, we will start with the word meaning. Well, in your syllabus, you may have seen that word meaning is about to happen orally. That means we will take your oral test in the semester exam from the word meaning. So I hope you will learn from here. The first word says hump. Hump means kuj. And the second word is beak. Beak means পাখির ঠোঁট. The third word is far. Far means loam. Then we have rabbit. Rabbit means খরগোশ. Then we have buffalo. Buffalo means মহিষ. Then we have horn. Horn means shing. Then we have wing. Wing means পাখির ডানা. Then we have feather. Feather means পালক. Then we have sheep. Sheep means ভেড়া অথবা মেষ. Then we have muscle. Muscle means মাংসপেশি. Then we have branch. Branch means শাখা প্রশাখা. Domestic. Domestic means গৃহপালিত. Sparrow. Sparrow means চড়ুই পাখি. Scales. Scales means eyes. Crocodile. Crocodile means কুমির. Silkworm. Silkworm means রেশম পোকা. Claws. Claws means নখর. Trunk. Trunk means হাতির সুর. Donkey. Donkey means গাধা. Camel. Camel means উট. Rhino. Rhino means গন্ডার. Danger. Danger means বিপদ. Wild. Wild means বন্য অথবা বুনো. Root. Root means মূল. Tame. Tame means পোষা. Leather. Leather means চামড়া. Well, I would like to repeat it again. Hump means কুজ. Beak means পাখির ঠোঁট. Fur means loam. Rabbit means খরগোশ. Buffalo means মহিষ. Horn means shing. Wing means পাখির ডানা. Feather means পালক. Sheep means ভেড়া অথবা মেষ. Muscle means মাংসপেশি. Branch means শাখা প্রশাখা. Domestic means গৃহপালিত. Sparrow means চড়ুই পাখি. Scales means eyes. Crocodile means কুমির. Silkworm means রেশম পোকা. Claws means নখর. Trunk means হাতের সুর. Donkey means গাধা. Camel means উট. Rhino means গন্ডার. Danger means বিপদ. Wild means বন্য অথবা বুনো. Root means মূল. Tame means পোষা. Leather means চামড়া. Well, you have to memorize all the word meaning from this part, and you must give your feedback to your parents. The next, we have multiple choice questions, in short MCQ. Here you will see a question and there will be 4 different answers and you have to find out which answer is appropriate. Then you will tick on the beside the answer. So let's go and we have to learn what is the multiple choice question is. Here in number 1, which animals have feathers only? There are 4 options. Option A says fish. Well, we know that fish doesn't have the feather. Option B is man, and we also know that man doesn't have the feather. Option C is birds. We know birds have feathers. And option D is crab, and we know that crab doesn't have the feathers. So the answer is C, and we will tick beside the C. In question number 2, which animals have hair in their bodies? There are 4 options. Option A, birds. Option B, fishes. Option C, man. Option D, snakes. We know that such kind of animals which has feather in their body, they actually have hair inside their bodies as well. As you know that among all the options, A, birds have the feather in their body, and that's why they have hair inside their body. So the answer will be A, and we will make a tick beside A. Question number 3, which animals give us milk? Option A says cow and giraffe. Option B says goat and cow. Option C says goat and cat. Option D says cat and dog. Well, you can see that all the animals give milk, but we do not have that milk. We only have milk from the goat and the cow. So the answer will be option B, and we will mark a tick beside B. Question number 4, which animals get grass? There are 4 options. Option A, cow and fish. Option B, tiger and parrot. Option C, goat and sheep. Option D, fish and sheep. Well, you can see in option A, the cow eats the grass, but fish do not. In option B, sometimes tiger, the tiger doesn't eat the grass, but sometimes parrot, so they are not the appropriate answer. In option C, you can see that both the goat and the sheep, they eat the grass, so the answer will be option C. Question number 5, fish breathes through their blank. Well, there are four options. Option A, fins. Option B, tail. Option C, gills. And option D, scales. As you know that fish breathe through their gills. So the answer will be C, and we will make a tick beside C. Then question number 6. Which animals live in the sea? There are four options. Option A, dolphin. Option B, sheep. Option C, ant. And option D, frog. We know that only dolphin lives in the sea and the rest of them are live in different places. So the answer is A, and we will mark a tick beside A. Question number 7. From which animals do we get wool? Option A, cat. Option B, sheep. Option C, goat. And option D, cow. We know that we get wool only from the sheep. So the answer will be B, sheep. Question number 8. Which is a huge bird? Option A, sparrow. Option B, eagle. Option C, ostrich. And option D, kingfisher. We know that ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. So the answer will be C, ostrich. Question number 9. Which animal has trunk? We know that option A, donkey. Option B, elephant. Option C, ox. And option D, horse. As we seen in the picture in our textbook that only the elephant has the trunk. So the answer will be option B, elephant. Question number 10. Which animal lays eggs? Option A, lion. Option B, hen. Option C, dog. And option D, cat. We know that except hen, the other animal doesn't lay eggs. So the answer will be hen. Question number 11. Which one is the domestic animal? Option A, rhino. Option B, lion. Option C, cow. Option D, fox. Domestic animals means a kind of animal who lives at home. We know we do not keep the rhino, we do not keep the lion or fox at home. But cow is an animal who lives at home. That's why the domestic animal is the cow, option C. In question number 12, which animal has a big hump? Well, there are four options. Option A, camel. Option B, monkey. Option C, chicken. And option D, elephant. We have seen that a camel is a different kind of animal whose hump is in a bigger shape. That's why the answer will be camel, option A. Now we will talk about the fill in the blanks from your textbook, page 29 and question number A. Here we can see there are 9 fill in the blanks. That means a sentence there is a word is missing. You have to fill it up and you need to write the answer appropriately. Let's see what are the fillings. Well, question number 1. We get silk from blank. We know that then the answer will be silkworm, because from silkworm we get the silk. Question number 2. The blank gives us milk. We know only the cow gives us the milk. Question number 3. A blank is kept as a pet. It catches mice. We know which animal actually catches the mice and who is very interested on mice. That is a cat. So the answer is cat. A cat is kept as a pet and it catches mice. Question number 4. A blank lays eggs. We have seen earlier a hen lays the eggs? Question number 5. The blank of some animals is used as manure and fuel. We know the dung of some animals is used as manure and fuel. Question number 6. We use blank to make bags, belts, and shoes. We know that with the help of leather we can make the bags, we can make the belts, and also we can make the shoes. So the answer will be leather. Question number 7. The feathers of blank are soft. They used in pillows. As you know that normally we used some kind of thing in pillows is the feather of geese. So the answer is geese. Question number 8. A blank is kept as a pet. It guards the house. We know that an animal who guards the house and also which is a pet animal, and this is known as the dog. So the answer will be the dog. Question number 9. We get wool from blank. As we have seen in our textbook that we get wool from the sheep. Now we will talk about the fill in the blanks from page 40, question number A. Here we have 5 fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The blank is a large bird which is too heavy to fly. We have seen in our textbook the biggest bird in the world is ostrich and it cannot fly, but it is known as the bird, so the answer is the ostrich. Question number 2. The tuna is a kind of blank. We know tuna is a kind of fish. Question number 3. Sometimes people keep small fish at home in an blank. As you can see that in some of our houses we can see that some small fishes can be kept on aquarium. Well, aquarium is a kind of small house for the fish. Question number 4. The kingfisher is a kind of blank. We know that kingfisher is a kind of fish and it loves to catch the fish from the pond or from the river as well. Question number 5. Animals kept at home as our friends are called blank. We know whenever we keep some kind of animals at our home and they stay as like the member of the family, they actually called as pet. That means pet animal. So, well, that was all for today's class, and in this class we have discussed about the part 2, that means the question answer of part 2, and in this part 2 the chapter 4, chapter 5 and chapter 6 is connected. So whatever we have started with the word meaning, and if you see that all the word meanings, the word come from those 3 chapters, that means chapter 4, chapter 5 and chapter 6. Then we have talked about the multiple choice questions, that means a question will be given as well as there are 4 different answers and you have to choose the appropriate answer from those options. Then we have learned the fill in the blanks from different pages. In page 29, question number A, and in also page 40, the question number A, and we have solved those fill in the blanks. So dear student, I hope you have understood that how you are going to learn this part. You need to memorize them and you must write on your copy, and you have to show these to your parents so that they can identify that you have finished those topics. So that was all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class, and if you have any queries regarding this class, you are free to call as below. But before that, remember one important thing, that you have to stay at home and stay safe from this pandemic situation. Thank you very much.